All right, we got another receipt of another win, guys. On the 17th of December is when I posted Agora. Okay, as you guys can see on the 17th right there, it launched at 49,000 market cap. And this is our Inner Circle Quick Flips crypto group. And these are all the receipts right here. So you see on the 17th, it was launched. And literally the next day, it went to 500,000, which is a 10x overnight. So as I scroll down here, I say 49K to 200,000 market cap. People responding to that. Then I say 49K to 500,000. That's a 10x take profits. Okay. Then I say 500,000 is still under a million. Let's see where it goes. Then I said this joint hit 1 million. Okay. 47 million. That's 100x. Who got in on it? It didn't hit 47 million, but it did hit a million. As you can see right there, it went all the way up to 1.8 million, but we sold a chunk of it at 500K, which is a 10x overnight. So this is what happens in our Inner Circle group. I'm just showing you guys more and more receipts, so you all have the confidence to join. That's basically $500 turning into $5,000. So shoot me a DM right now, say crypto, and I'll give you the info.